Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be showing you guys some happy mail that I got in my PO box. Now, I'm not sure if Brandy sent this as part of her entry for my current challenge or it was just happy mail. So Brandy, if you watch this video, definitely leave me a comment down below so I can know if this is going to be your entry. It is gorgeous. I am obsessed. You guys, I'm going to have Brandy's information down below. She does have a YouTube channel called Crafty Formations. But look at this beauty, you guys. So pretty. I'm loving the colors. And it's a bunch of embellishments, which is why I'm thinking it's an entry to my challenge, because I am currently having an embellishment challenge. But look at these pretty little flowers. And look at the way she packaged everything, you guys. Is this not gorgeous? It says, "I'm delighted." She even did like some little glitter speckles here. I love these. They're so delicate and so pretty. And then look at these little soda pops, you guys. I've never even seen these. So cute. Cute little bow. I love it. So many goodies in here. She made these cute little embellishments right here. I think these are embellishments, right? Let me see. These are tags, actually, you guys. I think. Nope. I'm wrong again. Little envelopes that she made and decorated. Look at that. Is this not the cutest? I love all the colors that she used. She used Maggie Holmes and Good Vibes. Look at that, you guys. They're so cute. And the way she packages everything. Packaging, you guys, will change your happy mail forever. Let me see. Put this back in here. I don't want to ruin anything. Ah! It won't go back in. Okay. We got it. We got it, you guys. But look at that. Cute little typewriter, and it says smile. And I love this little hook thing here where you can like hang it up and display it. She made these cute little teacups. Look at all that layering. Sometimes the messiness is more fun. Yes, it is. Look at that. I love it. It looks like it has little tea bags inside. So cute. I love that. And then, you guys, we have this, which I'm not sure what it is, but it's like, it's pretty heavy. I think it's an eraser or a little stone. But look how cute. Her style is like very shabby. Look at that. This is so cute. I absolutely love the way you decorated everything, Brandy. It's beautiful. Look at this cute little clip. I'm going to take it out so you guys can see it. Look how cute. She made a cute little clip. Isn't that pretty? I love that. I love me some swans. You guys already know that. The little bag is adorable. And then, you guys, look at these pretty little rosettes. We're going to take them out and look at them because they are so cute. They're like made out of, is this tulle? Yes, made out of tulle. Look at that. How delicate is that? And look at this one with like that gold little button. I'm trying to fix it. I love this one. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's a little, she's got the paper, the crepe paper. She's got tons of layers of tulle. I'm going to have to try this out. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And I love that gold button in the center. These are beautiful. Thank you so much, Brandy. And please let me know if this is your entry for my challenge so that I can note that. She put everything inside this super cute little envelope with the Chasing Dreams paper. I love this die. So pretty. And then she sent me a sweet little card and her business card, Brandy, and it's Crafty Formations. But yeah, you guys, that was a quick little happy mail that I received at my PO box. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.